Hi, I'm Steve from Lock It Up, and today we're going to be doing the slow cone weave. And the best techniques involve a combination of looking far ahead, using the clutch's friction zone, applying a slight rear brake, and staying upright as you let the bike lean. This provides maximum control and balance for maneuvering in tight offset spaces. Again, keep your head and eyes up, looking through the turns to the next cone and beyond rather than down at your front wheel. Looking down is a common mistake that can lead to a loss of balance and control. The foundational techniques: 1. Looking where you want to go. 2. Master the friction zone. 3. Feather the rear brake. 4. Use counterweighting. And 5. Steer directly. And what that means is that it's not counter steering by pushing the bar to the left or to the right. It's by using both arms and turning the handlebars. So let's get outside, let's do the demo, and then from there we'll come back into the studio and I'll give you some great tips. I'm Steve from Lock It Up, and today we're going to do the double cone weave. So let's go out and do the demo, and let's go and let's do it. Try it one more time. See if we can start wide. We're going to try to start wide on this turn. Start wide, wide. Look ahead where you want to go. Look ahead, look at the next cone. Let's look at the next cone. Let's look at the next cone. The next cone. And we're gonna back. And let's start wide. Keep your head up. And you want to do a little counterbalance. Next cone, and there we are. And of course, we always want to finish maybe with a little bit of a 360. Definitely lean over to the left-hand side. And we'll do it 2 times. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of maybe 2 to 3 tips. Thank you for watching, and let's get back to the studio and I'll give you those tips from there. Well, we're back in the studio and I hope that you enjoy the demo. I have people that come up to me and they say, Steve, why is it so important to do motorcycle slow speed turns. And I say people do slow speed motorcycle turns to navigate tight spaces and practice crucial riding skills. Low speed maneuvers are much more difficult than riding at high speeds because the motorcycle loses the stability provided by the gyroscopic effect of the spinning wheels. Key mindset for success. Stay relaxed. Tensing up will negatively affect your balance and control. Keep a loose grip on the handlebars and relax your arms. Commit to the turns. Practice with purpose. I hope you got some value today. Practice, practice, practice. Ride safe. Subscribe. Leave some comments. I'm Steve from Lock It Up, and thank you so much for watching.